morning, dear students. Dear students, today we shall move on to the next exercise in mathematics in the chapter fractions and decimals, exercise 2.7. In that exercise 2.7, in the previous class, 2.6 in the exercise we are going to multiply it. So in this one we are going to divide fractions by a whole number or fractions by a fractions. So this contains totally first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, totally 5 questions, and sixth one will be not for your syllabus in this year. Okay, here also same thing, division, here also division, here also division, here also division will be there. So totally these 5 questions also completely divisions. So these 3 are very easy, but you should understand first one and also last one. So in the chapter fractions and decimals, chapter 2, exercise 2.7. So in that one, first one question is there, find 0.4 divided by 2. So 0.4 divided by 2, nothing will be there in the denominator, means there is a presence of 1. So in fractions, you know that to conversion of division to multiplication, we should take reciprocal. If you convert this division to multiplication, we should take reciprocal of 2 by 1, means you get 1 by 2. After that, you should convert 0.4. This is in the tenths place, tenths, tenths place. That means after the decimal first place. That means the value of 4 is 4 by 10 into 1 by 2. So this become 4 into 1, 4 by 10 into 2, 20. So after that, we should, if you divide this by 2, you get 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 by 10. 2 by 10 means the value is 0.2. Second one, 0.35 divided by 5 means 0.35 divided by 5 means 5 by 1. We should take 1 in the denominator. Then we should take reciprocal of 5 by 1. This division is converted into multiplication. Then 5 by 1 is converted into 1 by 5. That means we should write the reciprocal of 5 by 1. This become 1 by 5. So 0.35 means this is 10th place, this is 100th place. Therefore 35 divided by 100 into 1 by 5. If you multiply these two, you get 35 ones are 35 by, see, 5 ones are 5, 35 by 5 into 1 by 100. If you divide this 35 by 5, you get 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. That is 7 into 1 by 100. So 7 ones are 7, 7 by 100. So here somewhat number is mistaken. So you should write, instead of 1, you should write 7. So that means 100 plus means 0.07. Next, third one. Third one also same thing. 4 divided by 1, you should take reciprocal of this one. You get 1 divided by 4, and also this is 100th place. Yes, 10th place, 100th place. So you should take, this is by 100. That is 248 by 100 into 1 by 4. So if you divide this 248 by 4, or first we should write in the form of 248 divided by 4 into this 1 by 100. So 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24, 4 2s are 8. That is 62 by 100, you get 0.62. Fourth one, same thing, 65.4 divided by 6.1, we should take reciprocal of 6.1, we get 1 by 6. This is 654 into 1 are 654 by 6, 10 6 are 60. If you divide this one, 60 ones are 60, or if you divide the 654 by 60, you get 10.9. Next 651.2 divided by 4, that means we should take 4 in the form of 4 by 1, and then we should take reciprocal of this 4 by 1 we get division into multiplication, and 4 by 1 become 1 by 4. If you multiply these two, you get 6512 by 10 into 4 means 40. If you divide the 650 512 divided by 40, yes, 40 ones are 40, 40 ones are 40. So remaining will be 25. 46 are 240. So remaining will be 112. 4 2s are 8, and also 9. 3 remaining 3 will be there. That's become 32. 4 8s are 32, like this. And same thing, you should take a reciprocal of this 7 by 1. You get division is changes into multiplication, and 7 by 1 is changes into 1 by 7. And this is 10th place, this is 100th place. So we should write by removing this decimal point. You get 1449 divided by 100 into 1 by 7. If you multiply this one, 1449 into 1, you get 1449 by 100. If you divide this one by 700, you get 2.07. And remaining two problems will be there. So you should try to solve those two problems. So in the question number 2, it's very easy. So they given that 4.8 divided by 10. So that means 10 divided, we should take denominator as 1. If you take reciprocal of this one, this become multiplication, and 10 by 1 become 1 by 10. 4.8 into 1 means 4.8 divided by, or this you should write this 4.8 in the form of 48. That's become 48 by 10. 10 into 10 is 100. That is 48 by 100. So you should 100 place means we should move 2 digits. That is first digit is 8, second digit is 4. After that we should put the point, that become 0.48. And also this is 52.5 divided by 10. So 52.5 divided by 10 means we should take denominator as 1. After that we should take the reciprocal of this one. So you get 1 by 10. This 52.5 means this is in the 10th place. We should take 1 by 10. So that's become 522 by 25 by 10. After multiplying those 10 into 10, you get 100. So number of zeros is 2, means you should move the 2 digits from right to left side. That is after 2 you should put the decimal point, comma, you get 5.25. Next, third one. Same problems. 0.7 divided by 10 means 0.7 divided by 10 divided by 1. So 0.7 into this, you take the reciprocal of this one, this become 1 by 10, and multiplication, division become multiplication. So removing this decimal point, we should take 7. That is 7 by 10. So 10 tens are 100, 7 ones are 7. You should remove this 0, it's extra. So you should don't consider this 0, because here 7 by 10 you get 7 by 10. 10 into 10, 100. 7 ones are 7, not a 70. Don't forget that. And next, 33.1 divided by 10. So 33.1 divided by 10 by 1, we should take 33.1 means after the decimal point 10th place will be there. So we should take 331 by 10 into 1 by 10. So 10 tens are 100, 331 ones are 331. Here 2 zeros will be there. So we should move 2 digits from right to the left side. You get after 1, after 3 you should put the decimal point, then you get 3.31. Next, this is also 10th place. So 272.23 divided by 10, we should take denominator as 1. 200 this become 27,223. So here after the decimal point 2 digits will be there, means it is in 100th place. So we should take denominator as 100 into 1 by 10. Reciprocal of this one, you get division changes to multiplication and 10 by 1 changes to 1 by 10. So 100 tens are 1000. Next, this 27,223 into 1 means 27,223. Here 3 zeros means we should move 3 digits from right to the left side. You get 1, 2, 3. That is 27.223. So you should read like that, 27.223. After the decimal point, we should read single digit 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5 like that. Here also 0.56 divided by 10 will be there. So divided by 10 means denominator nothing will be there, means there is an always presence of 1. Nothing will be changes. Here 1 ones are 1, 1 tens are 10. Once again we get 10. So this is after the decimal point, 10th place, 100th place will be there. So we should take 56 by 100 into reciprocal of 10 by 1 means 1 by 10. Next is 56 ones are 56 by 100 tens are 1000. Here number of zeros is 3, means from the right to the left side we should move 3 digits. 1 digit, 2 digit, 1 more digit not will be there, means we should take 0. That's become 0.056. 0.056. Next, remaining 2 problems will be homework. This is the third question. For each question divisible will be same thing for the decimals. First you should remove the decimal point and you should note down after the decimal point whether it is in highest place is 10th place or 100th place. Then multiply. After that you should put the decimal point order. That is 2.7 divided by 100. That is 2.7 divided by 100 means denominator nothing will be there, means we should take 1. So that's become 2.7 means after the decimal point here 10th place will be there. So we should take divided by 10. That means 27 divided by 10. Reciprocal of this one is 1 by 100 and multiplication division changes to multiplication. Then 27 ones are 27 divided by 10 into 100 means 1000. So number of zeros 3 means we should move from right side to the left side 3 digits. 1, 2 digit, 1 more digit nothing will be there, means we should take 0. That becomes after 7, after 2, after 0 we should put the decimal point. That become 0.027. And next 0.3 divided by 100. 0.3 divided by 100 means denominator nothing will be there, means we should take 1. 0.3 into 1 by 100. That's become, this is become 3 by 10 into 1 by 100. That is 3 by 10 hundreds are 1000. Next, here number of zeros, total 1, 2, 4 digits will be there. Here 1 digit will be there. So we should take remaining digits as 0, 0, 0. That is 3, 0. 0, 0, 0. So 3 zeros, then 3. Don't put the zeros after the 3. You should put the zeros before the 3. Then the value of 3 doesn't changes. If you put after the 3, you should put, if you put the zeros, the value become changes. If you put after the 3 1 0, that's become 30. 2 0 means 300. 4 0 means 1000. So we should put the zeros before the 3. Then that's become 0.003. Next, 0.78 divided by 100 means 0.78 divided by 100, denominator will be, you should take 1. So this is in the 100th place, we should divide 100 into, this is 1 by 100. 100 hundreds are 10,000. Here will be 78 ones are 78. So number of digits is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is 2 digits will be there. Remaining 3 digits means we should take 0, 0, 0. Next, here 4 zeros means after the 4 digits from right to left, we should put the decimal point. Then that's become 0.0078. Fourth one. 432.6 divided by 1000. So 432.6 divided by 1000 means we should take denominator as 1. Then we should take the reciprocal of this one. This become multiplication, and 100 by 1 become 1 by 100. Next, this become 432.6 become 4326 by, after the decimal point, one digit will be there, that is the 10th place. So we should take divided by 10. So 10 into 100 means 1000. This become 403.26. Number of zeros 3 means we should move from right side to the left side 3 digits, 1, 2, 3 digits. Then we have to put the comma. That's become 4.326. 4.326. You should read like this. Next, fifth one, 23.6 divided by 100. This is 23.6 divided by 100 means we should take denominator as 1. Nothing will be changes. 1 ones are 1, 100s are 100. Once again you get 100. So reciprocal of 100 by 1 is 1 by 100. Then this division become multiplication. Then this is 236 by 10, because after the decimal point only 10th place will be there. So multiplying this one, you get 100 into 1000. Sorry, 10 into 100, 1000. 236 ones are 236. Here number of digits is 4. Here 3 digits will be there. So we should put one more digit as 0. Number of zeros is 3 means we should put the decimal point or comma after the 3 digits. 1, 2, 3 digits. So you get 0.236. Next, 98.53 divided by 100. So 98.3 divided by 100, we should take 1 as usual. Then we should take the reciprocal of 100 by 1. You get 1 by 100. Then this division changes to multiplication. Here after the decimal point, unit place, sorry, 10th place and 100th place will be there. So we should take 100. That's become 9853 by 100. After multiplying these two, you get 9853 by 100. Hundreds are 10,000. Here number of digits is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. We want 5 digit means we should put one more 0. Then decimal point, where we have to put the decimal point means you should count the zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means from right to the left you should move 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's become 0.9853. 0.9853. Next, remaining one problem will be there. You should solve that one. This is a fourth one. It's also same number of, you should know the number of digits, then move from right to the left, then you should put the decimal point on there, and also you should count the number of digits in the denominator, and you should make the number of digits in the numerator as same. So first one is 7.9 divided by 1000 means denominator as usual we take 1 because nothing will be changes. Then after the decimal point one digit will be there, so we should put 10, that is 79 by 10 into 1 by 1000. If you multiply these two, 79 ones are 79 divided by 1010, 10,000. So here number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2 means remaining 3 zeros you should put or replace. Then the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4 means after the 4 digits you should put the decimal point. That's become 0.0079. And next one, 26.3 divided by 1000. 26.3 divided by 1000 by 1. This become 263 by 10 into 1 by 1000. If you multiply these two, you get 263 into 1 means 263 by 1000 into 10 means 10,000. Here 1, 2, 3, 5 digits will be there. Here 3 digits will be there. So we have to add 2 more zeros. That's become 5 digits. Then after 4 digits you put the decimal comma as usual. Then you get 0.0263. This third one and fourth one also same as usual. You should try to solve yourself after copying these two. And also fifth one is same thing but somewhat reverse. So here division will be the decimal. So find here fifth one, find 7 divided by 3.5. Here decimal number comes to the right side alva, that is divided. See here 7 divided by 3.5. That's become it's reverse already. Reverse, this become 35 divided by 10. If you take reciprocal, you should reverse this. This become 35 by 10. Once again I will repeat. This is 35 by 10. This is 35 by 10. After the reciprocal, that's become 10 by 35. Division become multiplication. 7 tens are 70 by 35 ones are 35. If you divide that 70 by 35, you get 2. Next 36 divided by 0.2. This is 0.2. As usual, you should write same thing. And the next 3.25 divided by 0.5. These two contains decimal numbers. Alva? Yes, 3.25 divided by 0.5 means after the decimal point 1 digit will be there. So we should take that as 5. That is 5 by 10th place, 10. This become, and this 3.25 after the decimal points 2 digits will be there, that is 10th and 100th place. So we should take 325 by 100. So if you multiply these two, 325 into 10, that is 3250 divided by 100 into 5 is 500. If you divide this one by 500, you get 6.5. First you should cancel this 0, then this become 325 by 50. Then that is easy to divide. Finally you get 6.5. Next 30.94 divided by 0.7. First you should convert this 0.7. You get 7 divided by 10. After that reciprocal of this become 10 by 7. And after the decimal point here 2 digits will be there, that is tenths and hundreds, HUNDRETHS, 100th place. So this become 3094 by 100. Multiplying these two you get, and multiplying these two you get 700. If you divide this one by this, you get 44.2. Next it's easy. 0.5 divided by 0.25 divided by 0.25 they given. So 0.5 as usual, 0.25 means after the decimal point tenths and 100th place will be there. So we should take 0.25 by 100. Then this become 5 by 10. 5 by 10 into this reciprocal of this one is 100 by 25. Multiplying these two you get 5 into 100, 500 by 25 tens are 250. 250 ones are 250, 252s are 500. .75 divided by 0.25. First you should convert this 0.25. You get 0.25 by 100 because it's in 100th place. So then this becomes 775 by 100 into if you take reciprocal of this one, this become 100 by 25. Multiplying these two you get 77,500. Multiplying these two you get 2,500. Cancel these two zeros, then divide from this to this one. 25 3s are 75. Remaining will be 2. 25 25 ones are 25. Answer is 31. Next 76.5 divided by 0.15. First we should convert this one. 76.5 divided by 0.15 is there after the decimal point tenths and 100 place. So this become 15 by 100. Then this becomes 765 by 10. multiplying these two, you get 15 tens are 150. 765 into 100, you get 76,500. Cancel these two zeros, then divide this 7,655 15, you will get 510. And also remaining problem will be homework is there, so you should try to solve those problems and copy remaining these problems, and only two problems there is a minor mistake will be there, so please correct those problems. I already give an instruction to you how to correct those problems. Okay, so these are the problems we are solved. Here two problems will be homework, here also one, here also I think one problem will be there, here two problem will be there, so you should try to solve those problems. And also don't forget to correct the problems where I have given introduction for the minor mistake that happens in I think two or three problems. Thank you, students.